Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and if you're a first-time pet owner, sometimes the first thing we get for ourselves or our children is a fish. I have had my betta fish for over 2 years now, and there have been a few times where he's looked quite sluggish and almost on death row. And as soon as I clean his tank and add this water conditioner, he just swims around as happy as a clam or a fish. I'll show you a little footage here of what I do when I clean Frank's tank and when I add the water conditioner to it. So after you finish cleaning your tank, you want to add room temperature water to about halfway up the tank. And then you're going to take your Nutrafin Betta Plus water conditioner, give it a little shake, and all you need to do is add a capful amount of water conditioner into the betta fish's tank. Once you've added that, just give it a few minutes, and then you can put your fish back into the tank with the remainder of his water. And there you have it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you own a betta fish and you'd like to keep him happy and keep him around for a long time, then this water conditioner is essential. And that's my point of view.